Hi friends, welcome to Soft Code. I hope you are enjoying this course. In the previous video, we have discussed the HTML formatting tags. So, in this video, we will see and look at it in depth HTML attributes. So, let's open the VS Code. So, I got the basic structure of the HTML. So, let's go for align attribute. So before starting the attribute session, you should know what is the difference between attributes and the tag. So with the help of tags, the browser knows what is the type of the text. I mean, if the content is present between the head tag, then the browser knows the text is a heading tag. If the content is present between the paragraph tag, then that content is treated as a paragraph. So attributes are the keywords. Unlike the tags, it takes some values and two changes on the text. Okay, so the first attribute we are discussing here is align attribute. Align means position. So with the align attribute, whatever the input we give him, it will give the position to the text. So let's take an example for this. I will create 3 paragraph tag. So I will write 3 sentences here. This is first sentence. This is second sentence. This is third sentence. So let's open this in Live Server. So you should know a shortcut in the VS Code to open the Live Server. You can directly open with the shortcut Alt plus L and Alt plus O, or you can click here to open that. So you can see in the browser these 3 sentences are in the same side. So let's apply align attribute so that we can know the objective of that. So the attributes are present in the first opening tag. Okay, so the first tag is align attribute, right? So align is equals to, as the attribute takes some values, right? So we have to use is equals to, and whatever the value we give, it should be in inverted commas. So we can give only 3 values to the align. As align has a position, it can be left, right or center. So let it me give right position. Similarly, I will give align value as left. So similarly to the third sentence, I will give align value as center. So let's open this in Live Server. You can see the update. The first sentence is in right position, the second sentence is in left position, and the third sentence is in center position. So with the help of align, we can set the position of the content. I hope you got the align attribute. Note that there are only 3 values which you can give to the align attribute. So let's look at the link attribute. So the link attribute is the hyperlink attribute. The anchor tag supports the hyperlink attribute. Let's see what is that hyper tag. So hyper tag is href. So whatever the link we want to open in the browser, we have to paste here. A is the anchor tag. So it means whatever the hyperlink we want to paste in the browser or in the website, you have to place in the anchor tag. Let's open the browser. I need a website link. So I will take this and copy this one. And here in the hyperlink attribute, I will paste the link. So the website never shows the link, right? So I have to write something so that when the user touches it, it will redirect to that link. Suppose it's my channel. When you open this in live server, you can see here it is. When you touch on this, the link which you pasted there opens that here. Okay, anchor tag is a tag which defines the hyperlink. So whenever you touch on the text, it will redirect you to that website. I hope you got the anchor tag. So let's change the link and try a new one. Let's delete this. Let me open the browser. Now this time I will try this one. I copied here and I will paste the link here. So I will change this content. It is the best website to practice. So let me open this in live server. You can see, you can't see the link behind this send text, but when you touch on that, you can see the website automatically opens. I hope you get a better understanding of anchor tag and hyperlink. Let's discuss a new attribute, the direction attribute. You may have seen some languages like Urdu or Arabic where the languages are written from right to left instead of left to right as in English. So, with the help of direction attribute, we can change the direction of the content. Here, changing the direction of the whole content, we have to place the direction attribute in the HTML instead of other tags. So, the direction attribute is defined by dir, as you can see here, and enter. There are three values to the direction. The first is LTR, that is from left to right. The first one is auto, and the third one is right to left. So let's take this one, LTR. Now let's create a paragraph. This is soft code. Now let's open this in live server. You can see normally the content is printed from left to right, but if you want to change the content or the direction of the content from right to left as in Urdu or Arabic, we have to change the direction from LTR to RTL. Now let's open this in again in live server. You can see the content is started from right to left. So with the help of dir attribute or the direction attribute, you can change the direction of the content. So with the help of direction attribute, even you can write the Arabic or Urdu content in the website. Okay, you may have seen this new attribute here, lang is equals to n. It tells the browser that whatever the content present here is a English one, because the English is defined as en here. Okay, you can set new languages also. So with the help of direction attribute, you can even write the Arabic or Urdu. So to write the Arabic or Urdu, you have to set the language here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next upcoming videos, we will discuss about the style attribute in depth, and we will know how the comments are used in the HTML. And in upcoming videos, we also look at how to embed an video or audio in the websites like images, and make sure that you subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to get updated with our content. See you in the next video. Bye bye.